What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to simplify square roots, and basically it is add and subtract square roots that need simplification. For example, here we have 3 root 20 minus 7 root 45. So 3 and 20 is square root of 4 times square root of 5 minus 7. 45 is 9 times 5, so square root of 9 times square root of 5. Square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3, so 3 times 2, 6 root 5 minus 7 times 3 is 21 root 5. 6 minus 21 is negative 15 root 5. Next example is 3 over 4 square root of 192 minus 5 over 6 square root of 108. The answer is 3 over 4. 192 is 3 times 64. So square root of 64 times 3 minus 5 over 6. 108 is 3 times 36. Then I will have 3 over 4. Square root of 64 is 8 root 3 minus 5 over 6. Square root of 36 is 6 root 3, which makes it 3 over 4 times 8 is 6. So 6 root 3 minus 5 root 3. 6 minus 5 is just 1 times root 3. Next example. We have 2 over 3 root 108 minus 5 over 7 square root of 147. So the answer is 2 over 3. 108 is 36 times 3 minus 5 over 7. 147 is 49 times root 3. It's going to be 2 over 3. Root 36 is 6 root 3 minus 5 over 7. Root 49 is 7 root 3. So we have 2 times 6, 12 divided by 3. It's going to be 4 root 3. And here 5 times 7 divided by 7 is going to be 5 root 3. So 4 root 3 minus 5 root 3 is going to be negative root 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.